Many congratulations, Navina, for your new show,
थैंक
The
थैंक
Door. कितने को डोर दिखाया आपने?
यू आई होप ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग देखें ये डोर. दैट इज द
हाँ.
होल इंटेंशन. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ रियली गुड वॉच. सो आई होप कि बहुत लोग डोर देखें और एंजॉय करें.
Hmm. Please tell me more about the show.
The show is a suspense. It's a supernatural suspense thriller,
Hmm.
and it is got a lot of elements. It has an emotional element. It has romantic elements. And it has horror, of course. So that is the show in a crux. There are three principal characters. There's me, Arpita, and Krip, who are playing the main characters, and it's all about us. And then how all these equations between us lead to the suspense in the end.
Hmm. अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा और बताइए बिकॉज आई वांट
हाँ
टू नो
जी.
मोर अबाउट यू.
श्योर. तो मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है तानिया. एंड बहुत ही यंग ग्लैमरस गर्ल. एंड आज के जमाने की लड़की जो होती है वो है. एंड शी कम्स इन थोड़ा लेट इन द होल सीरीज. एंड वंस शी कम्स देन थिंग्स जस्ट गेट ऑल ट्विस्टेड. और बहुत सी चीजें वो आके शेकअप कर देती है. एंड हर एंट्री लीड्स to a lot of things changing, coming out in the open. And फिर जो suspense है, that is something that I cannot reveal, but तानिया का ही जो character है वो drive करता है suspense को. So that is all I'd like to say for now.
सो व्हाट यू लाइक मोस्ट, डेली सोप, रियलिटी, दीज काइंड ऑफ थ्रिलर जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा सस्पेंस रहे?
So, reality shows are not my cup of tea at all. ना मैं देखती हूँ. So it's not my thing. TV, when I was doing TV, I enjoyed every character, every show that I did, but I do not relate to TV anymore, and I am pretty much in the OTT space right now, and I'm loving all these thrillers that I am shooting for now. रिश्तों का चक्रव्यूह भी अभी हंगामा ओटीटी पे स्ट्रीम कर रहा है, which is doing really well.
जी.
इसके पहले this Guild 4, this Guild 3, there's all of this. There's V3 on IMAX, which is doing really well.
Hmm.
So this is something that I'm really enjoying. It's giving me my due as an actor, letting me explore my potential as an actor. Basically just roles with a lot of meat that I can sink my teeth into as an actor.
Mm-hmm. So, can we say that you have like completely disconnected from television, TV shows?
Yeah, if something fabulous comes along, which I don't know, then I might consider doing TV again. But tab tak, I am happy in the OTT space.
ओके ओके, ये डोर कैसे आपके पास आया? व्हाट इज द मेन इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट दैट यू सेड यस फॉर द शो?
So I've done a lot of work with Atrangi, and it's always been a pleasure associating with them. मैंने पहले इनके साथ परशुराम किया था, which was a mytho. Then of course we did another show which I can't remember the name of, and then of course I did Chumbak, and now we've come with the door. So पहले तो अतरंगी जहाँ आता है तो मैं मना नहीं कर पाती,
अच्छा.
because I really like working with them. And secondly, it's a very interesting story. It's a very interesting character, and as an actor, I had literally no reason to say no to this
ओके
script and the show.
ओके.
So
ओटीटी
yeah,
जब
that
से
was
आया
it.
ना नवीना, इट इज लाइक कि बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल गए एक्टर्स के लिए. सो
Right.
व्हेन वाज योर फर्स्ट लाइक एंट्री फॉर ओटीटी एंड हाउ डिड यू फाइंड इट?
I think I started with a Shimaru movie. No, I started with a Shimaru movie called Shania,
ओके.
which was which did pretty well.
हम्म.
And I think uske baad se, then I think I did Honeymoon Suites on Alt. I did Bekabu on Alt. Then I did a lot of stuff for Shimaru again. Now I've come on to Hangama.
हम्म.
So and then of course Atrangi. So yeah, that's been the journey so far.
हम्म. ऑप्शंस बहुत रहते हैं और बहुत सारी डिमांड्स रहते हैं, स्पेशली फॉर बोल्ड सीन, इंटीमेट सीन. सो वर यू
Yes,
ओके विद
yes.
दैट और हैव यू आल्सो रिजेक्टेड मेनी ऑफर्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट?
Okay, so I have a list of things that I'm not comfortable with, which I make very clear at the beginning of the narration to the creative. Ki these are things that I'm comfortable with, and these are things that I'm not comfortable with.
Okay.
So most of the time, I think I'm very reasonable with my, the set of rules that I have as far as intimacy is concerned. So they agree, and everything that I've shot so far has been shot very aesthetically, and I don't indulge in anything which is vulgar or looks, unesthetic in any way.
Hmm.
So yeah, so I've not really rejected roles because of this, because I think creatively they all see where I'm coming from, and then we all come to a midway point and we take it from there.
ओके ओके. हाउज योर करियर जर्नी, इफ आई कैन आस्क यू, कैसा रहा आपका? मजा आया पूरे करियर को करते हुए या
बहुत
कुछ छूट गया?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं छूटा। आई थिंक इन लाइफ
हम्म.
कुछ छूटता नहीं है। जो हमारा होता है वो हमें मिलके रहता है, एंड एवरीथिंग हैपेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉड्स प्लान, and I think he's planned my career and my life beautifully. Everything has fallen in place uh, very well. I have a lot of gratitude and a lot of appreciation for the way my career is going,
हम्म.
and I am very happy with the whole transition from TV to OTT. In fact, TV, I didn't get to play the kind of roles I really wanted to play, and OTT has given me that platform,
हम्म.
and it's given me these projects where I'm getting to explore so much as an actor.
हम्म.
And yeah, so I'm just really happy with the way it's shaped up.
And what were the roles you couldn't play on TV? You couldn't get a chance to play?
I never played like a mainstream heroine on TV. I never played like the protagonist or whatever. I was always the negative vamp. I was always the third angle of the triangle, the fiance.
Hmm.
OTT for me has given me the kind of, it's playing the protagonist in most of the stuff that I'm playing. I've got meteor stuff. I have properly etched out characters. I'm playing all kinds of characters. So it's not typecast me. I'm getting to explore a lot in the OTT
Hmm.
space.
Hmm. You said reality is not my cup of tea. Why? There
Not
are
at all.
too there are too many. Like, हम काउंट करने जाए तो थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा, रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा. इतने रियलिटी शोज आ गए हैं, and you're not interested in that. Why? Is there any particular reason?
I think I'm a very private person,
Hmm.
and I like to keep my private life private. So that is one of the reasons. Also, I don't think I'll be able to stay away from my daughter for so long,
Hmm.
which probably a big boss or something would require me to stay away from.
Hmm.
Also, no phones and all of that is a little extreme, when you're like a mother to a 6-year-old.
Hmm.
So that, and then I don't think I have it in me. I don't have the drama. I can't do things to, just for effect. I am what I am, and what I am is will probably be very boring after 3-4 days.
हाँ.
So I don't think I'm reality show material.
Straightforward, Navina.
Yeah, that's what I am. So I can't do things for effect. I am what I am. I am a very real, very organic person.
ओके ओके.
So
अच्छा, आज का दिन ना नवीना बहुत ही अच्छा है. आज है वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे. और आज
wow.
यस, सो लोग अपनी स्टोरी शेयर करते हैं, बात करते हैं. हाउ इज योर लाइफ? अगर मैं स्ट्रेस की बात कहूँ, मेंटल हेल्थ की बात कहूँ, हरेसमेंट की बात करूँ, कितना आपने बर्दाश्त किया? रिसेंटली हमने पढ़ा भी था, आपने बोला था साजिद खान को लेकर. सो कुड यू
But that was a
प्लीज?
long time back. Yeah, that was
या
a long,
या.
long when I had done Glad Rags in 2006, I think,
हम्म.
and he had asked me to be in a very uncomfortable situation, which I managed to get out of.
हम्म.
But and a lot of other people also faced who
हम्म.
were in my battle at that
हम्म.
time.
हम्म.
But I didn't want to get attention on this.
हम्म.
I just asked a question about a casting couch, and it was in reply to that.
हम्म.
But of course, I think it sounded like I was asking for attention or something, which I wasn't really. It was just an answer to a question which was asked,
हम्म.
and it was just to create a little bit more awareness that people shouldn't let things like this get you down.
हम्म.
And as far as mental health is concerned, I truly believe that everybody should turn to spirituality, because it helps you handle everything that life throws at you in the most beautiful way. It gives you perspective. It just, once you stop thinking from the ego and start thinking from your soul, life just becomes beautiful. Stress is just a word. It is, you realize all your setbacks और जितनी आपकी problems life में है, वो आपको strong कर रही है. They are taking your soul towards the light. They're all tests that you are meant to pass. And once you realize these things, you look forward to these things. And then once you look forward to these things and pass these tests, and you attract only amazing things in your life.
True, true.
So, on this World Mental Health Day, I would ask everybody to work on their spiritualism, which in turn will, make your mental, your emotional, your physical health amazing in every way. That's it.
But one should share their story, मतलब बिकॉज अवेयरनेस फैलती है, लोगों को पता चलता है, और लोग शेयर ही नहीं करते हैं इस डर से कि लोग क्या
और वो
सोचेंगे.
होता भी है ना, मुझे ट्रोल भी इतना किया गया टू शेयर माय स्टोरी, बट आई एम व्हाट आई एम ऑनेस्ट, आई नो व्हाट आई हैव सेड इज द ट्रूथ, आई हैव नथिंग टू हाइड. And if somebody comes and tells me to come and prove my point in front of somebody, I'm okay to sit in front of another person and say that yes, this happened with me. So it's that simple. If you're talking the truth, then you have nothing to fear. Is all I say. अगर आप सच बोल रहे हो तो आपको डरने की या झिझकने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है.
नहीं, यहाँ पे तो लोग ये बात ही नहीं करना चाहते ना कि कौन क्या कहेगा. द ट्रोलिंग यू मेंशन, सो दैट इज वेरी
That's what
इम्पोर्टेंट टू टॉक अबाउट इट.
yeah.
टू टॉक अबाउट.
Yeah, we must talk so that people are aware. It's really that simple.
So how
And you don't, I did not talk with the intention of maligning someone or getting someone down. I only spoke with the intention of telling people that this is what happened with me, and this is something that you should be aware of and you should take care of, because these things happen.
और बेटी के साथ कैसे टाइम स्पेंड होता है? वर्किंग मॉम इज नॉट सो इजी, नो?
It's the best part of my life. Kimaira is the light of my life. She's my best friend. She's 6 now, which is, I think, the most wonderful age that kids can be at. We are best friends. We talk, we share. We are more like friends rather than mother-daughter. And it's amazing. I think the best part of my life is being a mother. Definitely.
That's so nice. What are the next?
Yeah. Next projects, there is a lot of stuff in the pipeline. You will know for sure. Not going to talk about it because I literally don't believe in talking about things before they actually happen. But yes, lots of things in the pipeline.
So do you believe in superstitions कि कुछ होता है बताने से रुक जाता है?
हाँ, अभी जो मैं believe करती हूँ, usually it's about just keeping things under wraps till they solidify. So it's not about being superstitious, but you don't want too many people knowing what you're doing, because everybody doesn't look at you, doesn't want the best for you. So I think evil eye is something which is very real. So, it's something that I'm just a little more cautious about now.
Okay, Navina, we'll see you again. Thank you so much. As time come hai, but I would like to meet you in person and talk more about your life.
Next time, for sure. For sure.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.